A very good evening, everyone. Today's video is all about Emirates Airlines. A very good news I'm going to share with you guys. This news is out in national newspapers here in UAE. Emirates restarts regular flights with updated safety rules, including free hygiene kits for all passengers. That's a very good news. Let's see in detail. Emirates has restarted regular passenger flights on 9 international destinations from Dubai Airport, and there are new safety procedures in place for travelers. The Dubai Airline launched flights from UAE to Europe, the US, Canada, and Australia from Thursday, May 21st. Upon check-in, Emirates will give all passengers free hygiene kits. These will include face masks, gloves, antibacterial wipes, and hand sanitizer. The gloves and the mask must be worn at the airport, and the face masks are also compulsory on all Emirates flights. At Dubai International Airport, terminal temperature scanning is in place and protective barriers have been installed at each check-in desk and immigration counter to provide additional safety reassurance to passengers and employees. This is the good news basically shared by Emirates Airlines, and it's very good to know that they are getting restarted. This news, the full detailed information will be in my description link. Click it and have a look. Good news for all the UAE people and the UAE expats who are here in UAE, and mainly for people around the globe who loves to travel via Emirates Airlines. So this is a good news, and they have a lot of rules and regulations. This is just for our safety, so I'm sure we are going to obey this, and it's nice to see Emirates is back. To get more updates regarding UAE, Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and many more, please do subscribe to my channel. Give me a like if you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends. Please do share your comments in the comment section below. I will see you guys as soon as possible with another video. Till then, have a beautiful day. Eid Mubarak wishes to all my viewers. Happy weekend. Happy Eid holidays. Thank you for watching.